Okay, so today we're going to draw the island. So how to draw an island? Well, you just make a little squigglies, you know? You just make some squigglies and just add some of that. No. We want it to be more island color. No, that's not very island. We just need to make it more. This is island enough. I mean, sure. Then what you want to do is you want to make it blurry. Blurry. Okay, and then you want to go to was it this one? No, this one. And then you just want to go like that, and then there we go. We got your nice little island here. Then you want to name it. So for example, I'm gonna name mine GD. GD. G. Dean. Yeah. And then you want, and then your capital, set it right here. You want your capital too. Caplia. Caplia. Okay, so we're gonna set that right here. Okay. So there we go. We got. I forgot how to pronounce that. And then we have cap. So that's how you make an island.